Alright guys, Good Noel here. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So in this video I want to show you exactly how you can create a free WordPress blog or website without having to pay for anything at all. So if you wanted to have a website, you're supposed to pay for a domain name and a hosting plan, but WordPress is going to give you all of that for free, and you can use this for your business as a website. You can use it for e-commerce, for affiliate marketing, or whatever you want to do. So you do not need to go through the stress of buying a domain name or a hosting plan if you cannot afford it. Of course, having your own website registered by you and for you is usually the best option, but for some reasons you may not be able to do that now, so you do not have any excuse to not begin. So that's one of the reasons why this method will be okay for you. So if you can afford it, it is always better that you register your own domain and have your own hosting plan, so you can have full control and full access to whatever you are doing. So in this video I want to show you with WordPress how you can start creating free websites, free pages for free. I already made a video like this on how you can use Google. You can use Blogger with Google, and I'll put a link in the description or up here so you can use it if you prefer Google, but they practically do the same thing for you. WordPress just tends to have a more option and is like the most common around the world. So that's what we are going to be looking at in this video. My name is Good Noel, and if you like videos about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, digital marketing, online advertising, and all of that good stuff, then you should subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's if you're not subscribed yet. If you subscribe and you've been loving the content I've been making on this YouTube channel, then you should like this video. So it makes me feel younger when you like this video. So make me feel young. All right. Now let's begin. First, we have to go to WordPress.com. So this is WordPress.com. So you go to WordPress.com. All right. And it's going to give you an interface like the one coming up now. Okay, this is this way because I used to have a blog with website with WordPress. All right, these days I have my own blog, so I don't use this a lot, so I'm just going to log this out and tell you how this is done. All right, if you are new, this is how it's going to come up for you, so you can get started. You register. You come here where it says register, you click on here it says get started, and you click on register. So it's going to give you options. You put an email address, the username, and you choose the password, and you are ready to go. Alright, if you have this fixed, that means you are ready to go. It's free, straight to the point. All you need is just an email, a username, and a password, and you are ready. Now let's go back so I can log in, and I'll show you some of the things you can do with your WordPress site. So I'm going to click on login because I'm already here. So it gives me the option to log in with the email I already created with it, and then the password, and then I click on login. Yes, it's me, you should log me in. And now we are in, and from here you can see this is the default name of the blog. Alright, and from here it shows that we have a free blog, free plans, free domain. Everything we have here is completely free, so you are getting everything for free. So you can actually buy your own domain and host it here, or you can just upgrade and start paying for your domain name and your hosting plan and your email marketing and all of that. But from down here you can see the posts, all the posts you've made before. Let me open some of the posts I've created before. So you come here and you see all the posts you've created. You see I published last year on 3rd October 2020. So I've not been using this for a very long time because, like I said, I have my own website and my own blog these days. So if you make posts, this is where it's going to appear. This is the draft, the scheduled. If you want to schedule posts so they can publish on their own without you always being there. If you have trashed one, the ones you've deleted, this is where it's going to come. All right, so you can, if you want to add a new post, you just click on add a new post, and then you begin to write like a regular blogger. Because if you're talking about blogging, you're talking about creating content, written content, so you have to write. You need this for your blog if you want to document maybe a process of your skill, or you want to use it for business. All right, you want to monetize it, you want it to be on the Google search engine so people can see it and people can get to see you, know you, and do whatever you want them to do. You now have to start creating articles. Writing articles, this is where you put your title, and then this is where you put your copy, your write-ups, and all of that. So as you can see, this is the author, that's the name is going to show as the author, and then when it publishes, it's going to show you as the author of that post. So you can edit the text settings and everything here. So that's how you create posts. Now you can view all your stats, people who've come to your website before, people who are coming, how your website is doing, everything you can view it from there. So you can create categories. Here you can add medias. All right, you can add medias like pictures, videos, medias that you can use for your website. And here you can create pages. So if you run a business, an e-commerce business, or a digital marketing business, or whatever business you want to do, and you need pages, you can create these pages for free, just like you would with your normal pages. All right, so you can come here and you click on add new. All right, the difference between these pages and this the post is that they don't appear the same places. Like you can create a page for a particular purpose and you pin it somewhere else, or you use it for something different. But if you make a post appears as a plug on your website. All right, so from here you can create pages, you can create as much as you want. Here you have testimonials, here you have portfolio, you have comments, people are commenting on your blog post, you have all of that here. And here you can change the appearance, the themes, the widgets, you can customize as you want. All right, so if you do not like the theme, you can change it. I will get back to that where we have to change the theme. All right, so here a lot of other tools you can use. You can import and export, and then here's the advanced settings. Now if you want to let's say we want to change our theme, let's first of all look at what this WordPress looks like, what this what it actually looks like before we talk about changing the website. So I'm just going to, let's see if I can copy that and paste that. One of the turn-offs with having a free stuff like this is that when you come here, this is like your username, your domain name. This is what people need to search on the internet before they find you. All right, so as you can see from here, it says this is goodnoel.home.blog, and that doesn't look very serious to people when they look at it. So that's one of the turn-ups you have when you use free stuffs like this. So if you want your name to be like, say, goodnoel.com, you have to buy your own domain name. That's a custom domain. You have to buy a domain and then you can link it. Now let's visit the website and see how it's going to appear before we come back and talk about how we want to change the theme. So this is how it's going to appear. All right, this is how it appears, and you probably do not like this. Maybe you feel it's bland. Yes, I actually feel it's bland because I do not use it a lot. All right, so you have the option to edit it. So you come to your what's it called, you come down to your appearance. I think we are still loading. Okay, you come down to your appearance. Here's our appearance. Here is our appearance. We want to change the theme. So here it says appearance, so you can select themes and you can get some free themes that you can use to change the interface if you want. So now you can see we have some theme. This is the theme I'm currently using called Dalston. It's called Dalston. So you can actually customize the theme to suit whatever you want to do, or you can outrightly change the theme. So let me just find another one and change it. Let me use this Baker, Jasmine Baker. So once you select a theme, you come here where it says you can activate this design. Before then, it gives you a preview of what how this theme is going to look on your website. So you can say, okay, let's activate it, and then you can say activate Baker. Let's see what Baker looks like, or Baker. So again, you can continue to customize the site to suit what you want, but I'm not going to go into that now. So I am actually not going to go into that, but we are done with that. Let's go and check how our website now appears. Let's go and see how our website appears. So this is actually how you get a free website with WordPress. Alright, you can use this thing for practically whatever you want to do. So there's no excuse like I don't have a website, I don't have money for domain, I don't have money for hosting and stuff like that. You have a lot of things for free, and you can start using them to help you grow your online marketing, your e-commerce, your digital marketing, whatever it is that you want to do. You can use some of these free things for now until you can start funding yourself, creating your own website, creating your own brand. All right, so there's practically no excuse for you to not start doing these things. So now let's look at what our new website will look like. So we have to come back here. As you can see, that's me right there. Okay, let's look at here where it says let's manage our blogs, because we already have blogs already, and I think I have more than one blog. All right, is that okay? I don't think that's correct. So from here you can actually manage your blog. If you have multiple blogs, you can actually create multiple blogs, everything for free. So let's go to our home and see what it looks like. So you come here where it says visit site, and you click on visit site so we can visit the site. So this is how it appears now. This is the new theme. This is the new theme, and this is how it appears. This is how it appears. I think this one is slightly better than the first one, slightly better. But if you don't think it's cool, you still go back and you do whatever you want to do. So that, my friend, is how you create a free blog on WordPress, completely free. You don't pay for anything. You don't have to pay a developer. You don't have to pay a website designer. You are ready to go. Then you start writing. You can actually install a WordPress app on your phone, so you just write from there if it's easier for you to do. Back in the day I used to do that because it was easier for me to just type on my phone and publish it directly. So you just come here where it says write, and you are ready to start writing. So you click on write, and it takes you to posts and your blog. So you write and you publish, and you can start sharing this link to people, tell them to engage with your content. If you want to use it as a landing page, you can then go and use it, and if you want to run Facebook adverts, you are already good to go. So here you can just start writing your article. So that's how you create a free blog on WordPress. Everything free. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you should give this video a thumbs up so that more persons can get to see this video, and it will help them like it's going to help you. So that'll be all for today. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Goodnow. Bye bye.